MZ TV, welcome back. I know you guys missed me. It's your favorite host with the most, DeMarco. And today with me, I got this guy. Yeah, this guy right here, big shot, you know, Hookah Lord, you know how I'm coming. And on today's episode, we are talking MYA. Now before we start, guys, this episode is brought to you by MYA. Big shout out to the MYA family, Mahmoud, Mazen, Mark. Sure. Yes, thank you, MYA, for sending this amazing care package. It's like an early Christmas. Like it's amazing. Yo, bro, this ain't gonna work, homie. This ain't gonna work. What? You gotta go, dog. Yo, chill. I know exactly what just to get. Dutchy, what's going on?
DeMarco, what the hell is going on, bro? I got stuff I gotta take care of, bro.
Real quick, bro, you wanna do the MYA video with me?
Bro, I wish I could help you, but I can't, bro. I got work to do.
My bad, bro. My bad. Let me send you back to your work. My bad, bro. Hey! I knew you missed me, bro. I knew you'd bring me back, bro. Listen, bro, let's lay down some ground rules real quick. I'm the host, you're the guest. We got that? Capiche?
I got you, bro. I got you.
We good. Let's get this show rolling, man. Alright, perfect. Yeah. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna start with the Robusto 500 hookah from MYA. Got it broken down in 5 pieces in front of us. Now this hookah is not on the market just yet, but it will be, so stay tuned. Yes, sir. Now without further ado, let's put this bad boy together. You ready? Let's get it. Let's do it. All right, first we're gonna take the bowl holder. We're gonna connect it to the top. Yep, just like that. Oh, you got it. He's got it. Yep, screw it in right there, nice and tight. Awesome, perfect. Now we're gonna take the inner stem, which by the way is one long connected piece. You're gonna slide it right through the bottom right there and screw it all the way to the, yep, just like that. Awesome. Yeah, perfect. Now we're gonna take this enormous base. This base is huge, yo. We're gonna take this huge base. We're gonna drop it right in there. Now watch, bro. Oh, it's got a locking mechanism in it. Oh, so futuristic. I love it. It's so beautiful. Now let's take this flying saucer cold tray and throw it on top right there. Yep. And then, oh, don't forget the hose, yo. Yeah, just like that. Now this hose is soft touch silicone. The tip is stainless steel, as you can see. Nice firm grip on it. And we are ready to smoke out of this bad boy. You ready to smoke? Let's smoke! Let's get it. And hookah's packed, coals on top. Before we smoke, guys, I forgot to mention this earlier. The Robusto 500 is MX function, which MYA is notorious for. Shoot up like a rocket. Now, I got the tobacco in front of me from the MYA tobacco line. It's the Vegas H2O, which I packed in that bowl myself, which we'll be trying out. I also have the other flavors from the line that we got. We have the Red Dragon, we have Groovy Grape, we have Citrus Dream, we got Big Apple, and we got Good Time Lime, baby. Delicious. Now, let's get straight to it. The 4 steps on this tobacco right here. Now, first is smell test. I'm gonna take a whiff of this real quick. Oh, so fire, guys, so fire. Yeah, you wanna take a whiff of this? Take a whiff of that. Yeah, what are you getting out of that? Real fruity, super fruity. Lots of fruit. You're close, man, close. I'm not gonna tell you what it is just yet, not to the end. All right, you got me? Next, we got the cut. Step 2 is the cut. Now we have a medium cut. Got a few stems in there. That's not bad, you know, I like stems, but nice little cut to it, nice little medium cut. Next is juice content. So this is pretty juicy. It's not too juicy. It's like perfect for me, but you know, I like juicy, but the juice is just right. And last but not least, we have the taste test. So, you ready to try that out? Go ahead, let it rip. Let's see what the cloud's looking like. little whispery. So what are you tasting in that? What are you getting? I'm getting mad fruits, like how it smelled like gummy bear, like candy.
Yeah.
Fruity, yeah, it is fruity. First we got passion fruit, strawberry, cantaloupe, and menthol. That's that cold feeling in the back. Yeah. Makes sense now, right? Ha ha ha. Now we've been smoking this for about 2 months now. Mia, we love it. Those cans are about empty, so Mia, hook it up, hook it up. We need some more. Yo, Hookah Lord, let me get one more cloud before we go, man. Better be better than last time. A little better. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Mia's new products coming out to the line. Stay tuned, they will be here soon. Once again, a huge shout out to Mia for these amazing products. Thank you guys for sending it. We love you guys so much. Now, you know the drill. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget that little bell at the top for all of our latest notifications for all the new content coming out. But you know, it's your boy DeMarco, and it's your boy Big Shot, Hookah Lord. It's DMZ TV, and we are out. That's hard as fuck, man. How you did that? That shit was hard. You like that, man? Hell yeah. Yo, you gonna learn, don't worry. You'll learn in due time, fam, in due time. Shit, let me know, man. I'm ready, man. Yo, we killed this video, though. We killed it. Yeah, we killed this shit. We did better than Nick, though.